I would lie to my mum. I would say I'm going to go and stay at a friend's house, and my friend would say he's going to go and stay at my house, and then we'd all go to the woods. It was a rough ex-mining town that I grew up in, and there wasn't much for kids to do there. And I found myself getting drawn towards going out into the countryside, and I think that had quite a profound effect on me. My name is Tom, locally known as Wooden Tom, and I'm originally from Newcastle, and now I live in Aviemore. Yeah, the Cairngorms is a really good area for me to do this work. The forest here, I find them very special. I think they're beautiful. I make a living partly from teaching, partly from making. Trees give me a living. They allow me to live here. I really see the value in them. So I need 5 birch trees a year to survive. And that pays the mortgage, that pays my holidays, my internet, my everything. That pays everything. 5 birch trees. I think that's very economical. Knowing that really showed me the value of trees compared to, say, like a bare heath. A typical day for a workshop, people will travel from quite far, and when they get here they're in a natural amphitheater. It's really beautiful, it's very sheltered, it's out of the wind, and there's something really, really special about actually just being outside in nature, and there's no other noises except from what your hands are doing. So people will come on a day and they'll start with a log, and then they'll leave with finished item.
Oh, I did.
The quietness and being outdoors, how that affects people when they're on a course. It can be quite significant for some people. The lady came on a course a good few years ago, and she was a lawyer, and at the end of the day she said this is the most relaxed she's been. And that was it. I was expecting like in a week or in a month, but she's like, this is the most relaxed I've ever been. That was it. When you focus on one thing for a while, you temporarily forget about all your normal problems, all your worries, and that gives you just a little bit of mental space. And you can get that here.